Thursday morning. Today we're going to try to trim some trees that have needed some pruning for a while. Some of these trees are growing on top of each other, so we want to give them a little space to breathe. Also, this is our main driveway coming into the house. So if we want deliveries or anything, we're going to have to get rid of some of these branches and trim them up a bit. Got the chainsaw, got the ladder, got the mate, ready to go. So of course something like that would happen. Just climbing into the rung on this ladder just rotted out. And I slipped right through. Ladder came tumbling. Luckily I was holding onto the tree with one arm. Had the chainsaw on the other arm. And after the ladder fell down, I jumped down. Okay. Well, just about done for now. Gonna take a break. Here's all the branches that we cleared today. That tree we finished trimming up the left-hand side. A couple small branches here. And all of the low-hanging branches on this big tree here to open up this space.